The next mantra is for cleansing the index finger. The first word is M. 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 It's basically E and M. E, M. M. Next is thumb. This is different from the first thumb. This one, you just have to keep your the tip of your tongue touching the front teeth, the top front teeth, and produce the sound saying thumb. Just like how you say your actual thumb, your finger on your hand, thumb. Same way, thumb. So thumb, 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 thumb. Next is THAM and thumb, 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 thumb. Then again with the da. This time it's the same way. Your tongue should touch your top front teeth, and keep your tongue flat in your mouth, and say dum, 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 dum. Next is again DHAM and dhum, 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 dhum. Next, again keeping your tongue flat in your mouth, say num, 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 num. The last word is I'm, AIM. I'm, In Sanskrit, the ring finger is Anamikabhyam. Anamikabhyam, 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 Anamikabhyam. Then say hum, 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 hum. Let's try it again, the whole thing, saying each word 3 times. M, 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 thumb, 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 dum, 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 dhum, 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 num, 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 I'm, Anamikabhyam, 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 hum, hum, hum. Again the whole thing. M, thum, thum, dhum, dhum, num, I'm, Anamikabhyam, hum. Repeat. M, thum, thum, dhum, dhum, num, I'm, Anamikabhyam, hum. M, thum, thum, dhum, dhum, num, I'm, Anamikabhyam, hum. Next is for energizing the little finger. The first word is Om. OM. Om, 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 Om. Then PAM. Pum. Pum, 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 pum. Then PHAM. Phum, 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 phum. Then bum, B-A-M. Bum, 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 bum. Then B-H-A-M. Bhum, 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 bhum. Then mum, M-A-M. Mum, 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 mum. Then aum, A-U-M. Aum, 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 aum. Then the name for the little finger is Kanishtabhyam. Kanishtabhyam, Kanishtabhyam, Kanishtabhyam. Then you say Baushat. Baushat, 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 Baushat. The whole thing again, saying each word 3 times. Om, 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 Phum, Phum, Pum, Phum, 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 Bum, 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 Phum, 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 Mum, 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 Aum, 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 Kanishtabhyam, 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 Baushat, Baushat, Baushat. Now the whole thing. Om, Pam Pam, Bum Bum, Mum, Aum, Kanishtabhyam, Baushat. Om, Pam Pam, Bum Bum, Mum, Aum, Kanishtabhyam, Baushat. Om, Pam Pam, Bum Bum, Mum, Aum, Kanishtabhyam, Baushat. Next, we actually energize the hand as a whole, and the rest of the mantras are in pairs. So the first pair is and Yam. AM, as we've done before, and YAM, Yum. So, Yum, 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 Yum. The next word is Ram and Lam, R-A-M and L-A-M. Ram, 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 Ram. Lam, 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 Lam. Then we have Vam and Sham, V-A-M and S-H-A-M. Vam, 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 Vam. Sham, 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 Sham. Then Sam, Sam, S-E-M, S-A-M. Sam, 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 Sam. Sam, 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 Sam. Next is Hum, H-A-M, and Lum. Same way as we flicked our tongue when we said dum or dum or num. Same way we have to say L-Y-A-M, Lum, and flick your tongue forward over the back of your top front teeth. hum, 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 lam, 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 lam. Next is ksham and aha. Ksham can be spelled as K-S-H-A-M. Ksham. So, ksham, 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 ksham. Then simple aha or A-H-A. Aha, 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 aha. The next word might need some practice as it's kind of a tongue twister. It is kara, tala, kara. 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 The next word is prishtabhyam. 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 The last word is astraya phat. 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 So this is a long line. We'll say each word slowly 3 times again. Yum, 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 rum, 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 lum, 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 bum, 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 shum, 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 sam, 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 hum, 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 lam, 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 ksham, 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 aha, 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 karatala kara, karatala kara, karatala kara, prishtabhyam, 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 astraya phat, astraya phat, astraya phat. Now let's try the whole thing at a time. Yum, ram, lam, bum, shum, sam, sam, hum, lam, ksham, aha, karatala kara, prishtabhyam, astraya phat. Repeat. Yum, ram, lam, bum, shum, sam, sam, hum, lam, ksham, aha, karatala kara, prishtabhyam, astraya phat. Yum, ram, lam, bum, shum, sam, sam, hum, lam, ksham, aha, karatala kara, prishtabhyam, astraya phat. Yum, ram, lam, bum, shum, sam, sam, hum, lam, ksham, aha, karatala kara, prishtabhyam, astraya phat.